Here's the site I awakened to this Sunday morning after having a lovely night's sleep. Oh, I feel good. Can't move the camera very much. Its auto exposure will change. Oh, no. It's keeping. Very good. So there's the trees that I camped in last night. That cover right there. That's kind of what you want. Tree cover. It makes for a nice fluffy ground from all the leaves. In this case, stickers. Here's a road I came down. Oh, over here a little bit of private property. And they call this Ledger Island, and everywhere I go I seem to be surrounded by water. It should be properly called Ledger Peninsula. But this is where I wake up, out walking before 7 in the morning on a beautiful Sunday, 8th, 9th, 10th of July. Oh. Well, now we know why they call it Ledger Island, because it is an island. I'm just crossing a bridge right now. It goes over there, which I'm gonna go. And here we are looking the other direction. Beautiful river. So I've learned that the auto exposure does not like those 360-degree panoramas, but the 180 panoramas seem to be okay. Here's the country through which I'm walking. Oh my God, never been here before. And here we have the beautiful Joaquin River. Ledger Island really is an island. Here I am at the upper portion of it, and I gotta turn around and go back or ford the stream to get to who knows where. But still, yeah, that power line, it goes to a certain place at the end of the island and it just stops. There's one last power pole there. I wonder what they do at that place where they need all this electricity. Oh, no, I was wrong. This power pole actually makes a turn there and goes down there to that power pole, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and across the little valley over there. So there. Oh, nice oak grove. These are valley oaks. Hey, hear that red-tailed hawk over there? These, as I was saying, are valley oaks. They're like the classic oak tree. They got the oak tree shape. Fantastic wood. Hello. Oh. So this is the valley I'm walking through. Bryant Road. This is exactly the stuff I wanted to avoid. And yet, it seems I've spent half my journey walking up this road. These hurling tons of steel going right by my side. Oh, they ruin everything. And yet, that's where I'm going, that direction. So today, I decided the intelligent thing to do would be to walk 10 miles in this direction, and then turn around and walk back another 10 miles. And then I'll spend another night out here somewhere, having walked 20 miles, and have less than 20 miles to get home. It seems 20-mile days are okay. Somehow my last video got set to time lapse, and I don't know what I bumped, but went for a nice swim here, head to toe, body wash, wash my clothes, sitting all here in damp clothes. I could easily find a place to camp tonight, but I'm really tempted to just walk home. Even though I got plenty of water, I'm almost set. I mean, I could do it, but I only got 7 miles to go. And hours and hours of daylight. What am I doing? Just sit there? Yeah, I want action. So, I think I'll just, well, let's see how far I get. 8 o'clock, Woodward Park, 25 miles. I think that's my highest ever. I gotta watch the sun coming through there. We still got another 15 minutes before the sun goes down. Looks like. Oh, what a day. Still, I think I beat my record. I already beat the record. So if I could find a place to outlaw camp and feel nice and safe, I would do that. I doubt I'll find a place. Oh, Fresno. My ugly town. Shaw Avenue, around 5:30. Sun is still not quite up, but it's light out.